Oh, that creamy hazelnutty goodness. You know this flavor. Stick around and learn how to make the best, healthiest, sweetest Nutella from scratch. Let's get it, guys. So, heat up your pan to about medium, as always. Go ahead and grab your hazelnuts, just whole hazelnuts. Get 1 cup of hazelnuts, guys. And as the pan is getting nice and warm, we're going to throw those good old hazelnuts into the pan. Just did a little heat test. We're gonna roast these hazelnuts over the stove for about 15 to 20 minutes on a low to high heat. Once the peels start darkening a little bit, take them off, throw them into a napkin, and let's take off 70 to 80% of that shell. You know, we want the true hazelnut to come out. We don't want that shell. We want the real inside. Throw the nuts into a processor or a blender. Do with that what you must. Use what you got. Either one works just fine. And let's blend them up. Blend them up, blend them up. There you go. Get it as fine as possible, guys. It's dry. Now we just got to add a little bit of moisture. And how do we add moisture? With 1 to 3 tablespoons of oil or butter. I'm using olive oil, but you can use avocado oil or whatever other oil you would prefer. Butter also works well, of course. And let's keep blending, let's keep blending. Boom, bada, beep, boop, bop. Mine is still a little dry, so I'm just adding a little more olive oil as I go. And that's why we mentioned 1 to 3, right? It just depends. Scoop off the sides. Be sure to not waste any of those guys. Hang it on the outside. We don't want any wallflowers. Next, add 1/2 a tablespoon of vanilla extract. This just adds a little bit of that sweetness. And then, of course, 4 to 6 pinches of salt, guys. And that is going to offset the sweetness of the sugar and the cocoa and the vanilla extract. Now 1/3 to 1/2 a cup of powdered sugar, blend it in. And now we are going to complement that beautiful powdered sugar with 1/4 cup of that oh so good cocoa powder, guys. Who doesn't love cocoa powder? If you like chocolate, you like cocoa powder. I bet you didn't know that. Anyways, scoop out the sides again. Just make sure everyone's getting to know each other and blend. Blend, 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 and test it. Of course, like everything, we have to test it. It's good, but it's still a little bit chalky, so add 1 more shot of olive oil or butter. You guys got to do this as it goes. Maybe you nail it the first try. Sometimes you have to tweak it a little bit, and that's fine. Spread and enjoy. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy that creamy, healthy Nutella, and yeah, have a great day.